All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about why don't they go back where they had the work done? Caution, this is a rant. Especially lately, it seems like we've had a bunch of customers come in that gotten less than satisfactory results from other shops. And before the comments start, I'm not saying we're perfect, far from it. When we have something messed up, they come right back and yell at us, or yell at the guys up front. But we've had a rash of customers that have gotten work done somewhere else, didn't want to go back to where they had the work done, to have it actually warranted, to have it fixed right. They've paid us to do it instead. Just yesterday, I had a Jeep Cherokee, and for some reason, a shop installed run flats on it, even though it had a spare tire. One of the reasons it came in was a TPS fault on the right front wheel. Okay, getting to the age where sensors might be failing. The other three were reading fine. The right front, no signal. Okay. Sold them a TPS sensor, no big deal. Also needed 2 rear tires because the alignment was so badly out that it destroyed the rear tires. Anyway, so I pop it on the tire machine, use the arm to bring the tire down, and I find the TPS stem and no sensor. I'm like, okay, fine, it broke off, it's rattled around inside the tire. I got to take the wheel off. Oh well. So I take the tire off and, well, no sensor. They literally broke the sensor off and discarded it. They didn't fix it for the customer. They didn't do anything. They just, well, left it out. I don't understand why the customer left in that situation, why they didn't bring it right back. I've got a tire light on. Why is my tire light on? Giving the shop benefit of the doubt. Maybe they said, we can't get a sensor today, you want to bring it back, whatever, but that's a rash of what we've been seeing. When I'm redoing a set of brakes because the pads they use are junk and noisy, and they're paying me again to put brakes on a car because they didn't want to take it back to the shop they had work done. Literally blows my mind because, literally we've had stuff that legitimately we screwed up. Where a tech didn't realize a windshield got cracked. We've literally had customers come right back in going, my windshield wasn't cracked. We've got 4K cameras around here so we can zoom in pretty closely on a car and see, yeah, the windshield wasn't broke. When it got broke, we don't know, but it might have been sitting out in the street, got hit with road debris. We don't know, but that's just an example. Customer leaves out of here, check engine light comes back on, they bring it right back. Many, many times. If I do an intake or a carbon clean on a Volkswagen 2.0, I make sure and key cycle that thing about 6 times or double check because I always forget the map sensor on the boost tube. Always. And I've only had one come back and it came right back. That's just an example of, well, I screwed up, did something wrong, customer came back, we fixed it. Because, I wouldn't want them to go somewhere else and have them paid to have someone else fix something I screwed up. It's not how I operate. If I screw something up, I want to know because I need to figure out if I need to adapt my strategy on repairs to compensate for that, which I have on 2.0s. I check that sensor about 3 or 4 times and then key cycle the car several times to make sure that light doesn't come on. But it's just, it's like, was their experience at that shop so horrendous that they refused to go back? We've had that on dealerships, but also independents, where they literally hate that shop so much, they will not go back to get warranty repairs. They would rather pay us get it done for free. That tells you there's some shops out there that are really bad at dealing with their customers. Really bad. Pretty sad in this day and age of the internet that shops are like that, because 99% of people that have a positive experience at a business aren't going to say anything. but 90% of the people that have bad experiences are. So if you're working at one of those shops, you got to fix your stuff. I mean, comebacks and screw ups are nature of the beast. We're human. We screw up. But if you're operating your shop like that, you need to fix some stuff, because the customer should come back to you to get something warranted that they should be able to warranty. Hope you enjoyed this rant. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.